about light and information and DNA. Because when I first heard, what you're bringing is light and information on this planet, I didn't get it. You know what I mean? It sounded like some new age concept, But the reason I didn't get it is because when I was in school, I was taught that a cell is a bag of molecules dissolved in water. And that these molecules, when they bumped into each other randomly, and they had the similar shapes, they would lock in and release the appropriate chemicals to allow that cell to know whether it was a fingernail cell or whether it was a heart cell. I mean, they call this the lock and key model. I call it the bullshit model because there's no way that that's the way our bodies work. I mean, every cell in your body goes through 100,000 chemical reactions a second. And there's 50 trillion cells. If the lock and key model is the way our body operated, you wouldn't be able to walk. You wouldn't be able to run or dance. It doesn't make sense. It's too slow. And so through, the work by people like Fritz Albert Popp, who spent decades researching how our DNA in every cell in our body emits a light, biophotons of light. And that's actually how our cells are communicating through this light. So, when you're healthy and you're feeling great, you're vibrating high and your cells are emitting this bright, coherent light. And so the communication between your cells is crystal clear. But when you fall out of balance and you get sick or you're stressed out or, you're in this fear, your vibration lowers and your cells emit less light. And so the communication between your cells becomes scrambled. And so as we bring in this light and this information, the vibration of every cell in your body raises and it emits a more coherent light. And so the communication between your cells becomes clear and you come into this state of balance. So that's how these physical healings are occurring, is basically we're raising our frequency and our cells start to emit a more coherent light. And the communication between your cells becomes clear and your body starts to heal itself. Now this is real quick. This is just, there's tons of information out there. I'll put some links if you're really interested. Just do the research, but I hope this helps you understand, what is light and information. This isn't some new age, cuckoo stuff. This is just how our bodies, function. It's how our cells communicate is through light and information. Hope that helps. Peace.